Welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. I got IBM trading at 125. We are short the name. We also bought 125 put options, and we also had 135 calls. So we're going to lose money in our 135 calls, which is okay with us. We're happy to lose that. But we're going to gain a lot of money on that 125 put tomorrow when it opens. We are also short the name at 129.20. And we're making a good short there. So we've just added 2 positive revenue streams to the trade. Now, SMF short to stock and put options at the 125 strike. Reports Q2 earnings of $2.61 per share. That's 3 cents better. And I said that they were probably going to beat, didn't I, Brad, by 2 pennies? Better than Thomas, Reuters consensus of 258. Revs are 2.0 year over year, 23.72 billion versus this right here. Something happened here, folks. They're light on the revenue. Now, reports Q2 profits of 45.6 versus 45.8. So there's a little bit of discrepancy in this number right here. Now, here's the good news, is that they see an EPS of at least 11.25, up from prior guidance of at least 11.20. Well, that might be good, but it's not good right now, missing on that rev. There's the equity trading down right here. So let's not be in denial of that. And versus the 11.27 consensus. IBM signed services contracts totaling to 12.3 billion. How nice. But guess what? Here's what you want to be concerned of. A decrease of 12% in the second quarter. We again delivered double-digit earnings per share growth. I don't care about that part. What I care about is the decrease of 12%. Now, increases margins as well as improving consistent currency revenue performance in our ongoing software services and hardware businesses in all geographics. Well, folks, listen, I've been doing this a long time. And if Europe isn't going to spend as much, I was a short seller into all of these earnings on any gap up. It didn't matter. What matters is that if we've reached the peak with stimulants and we got worldwide spending pulling back, we got Europe the way that it is, the UK and all of that, they're not going to be getting as much revenue out of those areas. So when they come out with the conference call, I'm going to update that. I have someone who will be listening to the call for SMF that's a specialist that I've trained. The thing about it is you want to know that there was a decrease of 12%. I'm not saying that they haven't executed well, folks. For us, it's about the money. And right now, the street ain't liking it. We got the downside put options. We got the name short, so we're getting paid twice. We will come back later on and update you on the actual earnings call. This is the beginning of the preliminary. When they come out with the conference call, who knows? Maybe it changes around and we cover the short and then we go long. But that conference call, they're going to talk a lot about what they see in other parts of the world. And stockmarketfunding.com has said before the earnings season started that there's going to be a short revenue fall worldwide, meaning that pretty much from the bottom of 09 up to the current level of the current pullback in April that we said was coming is that the July earnings would peak, and that forward-looking earnings will go lower because there won't be enough spending. But we'll teach you about earnings season and all the gimmicks that go in these earnings reports.